What's good, everybody? Hope everyone's having a blessed day. Hope the weekend was good. Our Blue Jays couldn't pull it off in the seventh. But you know what? It is what it is. Somebody had to lose. So it sucks that we lost. We were truly the better team, but that's for another story. For all you guys that are Blue Jays fans or Dodgers fans out there, congratulations to you guys, first and foremost. But this video here, I wanted to definitely address some of my viewers out there that are asking me if I can do a video based off of my camera angles. So that's exactly what I'm gonna explain, what gear I use and how I use it. And hopefully it benefits you guys out there that are either want to make content or anything along those lines. So let's get into it, man. First up, this is the newer suction cup. This is where all the magic happens, bro. And see, this is the angle you can get from this position. It's easy. Put it against your glass or anything and use that suction cup, and once it suctions in, it'll hold it in place. It's a great tool to have. Everybody should have one of these. Another angle here from across the driver's side, sorry, the passenger side. This is the angle you can get from there. Here, different angle, right on the driver's door. This is the angle you can get from here as well, and also from the back. I like this sounds funny, but this is the position that I like it to be in, so we can catch the side and catch the road at the same time. So this is a great position right here for it. Everything is run off my Apple Watch. Once I hook up my phone to it, as you can see, connect, bada bing, bada boom, easy like that. So I don't have to turn around too much. I'm always in focus. This right here, this is a mini tripod. Everybody should have one of these too. Once I get out the car from in the back of the truck, I can do as much things as I want to do with it. As you can see, the real deal is the DJI mic, the mini. This is where all the audio comes in. If you don't have good audio, nobody wants to watch your videos. Trust me, nobody wants to watch your videos if your audio is crap. This little small thing pins onto anywhere and makes it sound good, all right? So as you can see, this is the back angle I was telling you guys before. That's it, man. This is it. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching, man. Hopefully you guys got something out of it.